We just wrapped up a really good discussion regarding security. As you're aware now, it is a board level discussion, CEO's top of the mind, and it's probably the one area that could get you fired as a CIO if you have security under your responsibility. A lot of discussions about solutions, what they're doing from a project perspective. So, implementing identity access management, multi factor, etc. The one thing that's really missing was no one talked about building an enterprise security program. And the challenge with that is, as you do your annual security assessments, what happens? You get a long list of laundry items that you have to fix. And then the focus really starts moving towards let's fix these items to comply with our deficiencies. But then no one looked at the overall end to end responsibility of putting together a program. And that was one thing that I have seen that is still missing as the organizations and the industry starts to move towards a better maturity model. The program levels definitely will be the requirement. So that's still to be determined, and that's where the gap that I have seen in lots of CISOs when I talk to organizations as far as their approach, and even my organization, we're still understanding how can we get to a program level versus projects. Second thing that has not been brought up on this panel and was probably on the mind for some, but if not, maybe you should think about it, is build versus buy discussion. Are you going to build an actual SOC, Security Operations Center? Or should that be a commodity and have a managed service? And all the other pieces of building this program. So ultimately it comes down to a build versus buy discussion, because do you have the talent in your region to recruit fast enough? If not, what options do you have? And everyone's fighting for the same resources as we speak, so really think about this build versus buy discussion. Lots of organizations are still wrestling with their approach.